Now request Lieutenant General Pilot Salim Hamad Akil Al Nabid, Chief of Staff, Qatar Armed Forces, to please come forward. Ladies and gentlemen, Lieutenant General Pilot Salim Hamad Akil Al Nabid, Chief of Staff, Qatar Armed Forces, is an accomplished commander and a distinguished aviator. He has played a significant role in promoting and reinforcing bonds of brotherhood and cooperation between our armed forces in general and air forces of both the countries in particular. During his outstanding military career, he served as commander of the Qatar Amidi Air Force, commander of Air Excellence Squadron, commander of 11th Squadron Alpha Jet, and commander of Al Azim Air Academy. General Al Nabid took part in several operational missions such as the Second Gulf War, liberation of Kuwait, and Operation Unified Protector during Libyan Civil War. Ladies and gentlemen, the General has also attended several professional courses, some of which include transformation on the Mirage 2005 aircraft from France in 1997, General Training Course on PC-9 aircraft from Kingdom of Saudi Arabia in 1998, Command and Staff Course from UK in 2001, Trainer Course on PC-21 aircraft from Switzerland in 2014, and transformative courses on F-15 in 2020 and Rafale in 2021. In appreciation of his operational and staff assignments in different ranks in Qatar Armed Forces, he was appointed as Chief of Staff, Qatar Armed Forces in October 2021. Ladies and gentlemen, the General is a sincere friend and a close brother of Pakistan. He has played a leading role in promoting and strengthening defense relations between the armed forces of both brotherly countries. In recognition of his illustrious services, the President of Islamic Republic of Pakistan has been pleased to confer the award of Nishan-e-Imtiaz Military upon Lieutenant General Pilot Salim Hamad Akil Al Nabid, Chief of Staff, Qatar Armed Forces. Now I request the General to please come on stage and receive the award of Nishan-e-Imtiaz Military from the President of Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Honorable President, may I have your permission to close the formal proceedings of this special investiture ceremony? Yes, please. Ladies and gentlemen, the proceedings of this special investiture ceremony are now closed. Guests are invited for refreshments.